video and come to Blaze Castle to test out the Mavic 3 Pro. So it should be good. Should be fun, some might say. Test out the features. Have some quick shots. A bit more interesting than flying on the downs.
Is that it?
Yep. Yeah, it's gonna fly this guy up there. Okay, so I'm going to test out some quick shots. But yeah, looking good, nice weather. Yeah, let's check it out. Ready. Yeah, so good. Definitely looks a bit twitchier, but it's actually safer, I would say. But they mostly fly the same, so it's fairly stable, I would say. A nice, enjoyable flying experience. Well, like the obstacle avoidance, it's got all the knickknacks and doobobs and wiggle-toms that you need. So yeah, it's perfect really. That's all you want in a drone. It's quite as good. I'm shooting on 1080p because I don't want to destroy my computer, but you can shoot up to 5.1K. All sorts of slow-mo, 120 frames a second, so that's actually quite handy if you're doing some higher end productions. But you'll be fine with the regular old little Mavic 3. But if you do want something a bit more capable of doing some cine shots, then you might want to go for the Pro just because of the high frame rate and the high quality. So, yeah, but it is quite expensive. Ideally, do the courses, so do your A2 CFC and learn the rules, learn where you should be flying and where you should not be flying. You always want to stick to your 120 height limit and your 500 meters distance from the pilot, and keep your visual line of sight, and don't fly where you shouldn't be flying really. You can do it online with most people. There's quite a few courses. Icarus are quite good. Copters do it. I mean, there's a bunch of places. It's not too expensive, but it's good. I think it teaches you the basics of the rules.
Yeah.
And what you should and shouldn't do. Which, stick to the rules, and we can all have fun flying. Fly responsibly and safely and legally. And you're good to go. You don't want to give any drone pilots a bad name. So. Yeah, that's my Pro Mavic 3 video. Incredible. Right, thanks. Cheers. See you later. Bye.